Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on this square button. Now you need to click on the icon of an app and select Open as Window. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window here. If you wish to move it around, just hold it and drag it. Then let go. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on the top right corner over here, but you can also just swipe it up, like that, from the background apps. If you wish to, you can also turn your app into a bubble by clicking on this little icon with square and an arrow, and then exit by choosing the bubble over here. In order to use it to overlay other apps, just select the other one and operate in both of them. If you want to make it full size, you can do that by clicking on the top left corner. Then select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!